Good morning. Did everyone wake up okay? Okay. Maybe it's still good. So, I want to start by acknowledging that where we're sitting is the traditional and ancestral homeland of the Ino, Shikori, Sisipaha, Okanichi, and other people of the Siouan descent. My name is Velda Kiara. I am a software developer, a DEFNA director, and the current chair of the Code of Conduct team for this year's DjangoCon US. Like everyone else, I came in for the code and I stayed for the community. This particular conference has a very special place in my heart because this was the first international speaking engagement I did. And being the first one, it affirmed my belief in that it would be possible to do this again and again in different parts of the world. Since then, I have become a DjangoCon US organizer, a COC chair, a DEFNA director, and the vice executor of the Black Python Devs community. Massive progress and growth, right? This community not only elevated my knowledge of the framework, but it gave me the gift of friends who I love and who love me most of the times, I think. And we both support each other as individuals and as professionals too. And I appreciate that I got to experience all this in a span of just 1 year. For the first time attendees, the lucky ones, you are very welcome. And since this was my first positive experience, I have a strong conviction that it will be the same case for you too, and maybe better. And I'm jealous about that, but I'll be okay. So, welcome to day two, and I hope you savor every second of it. Part of what makes this conference a positive experience is the existence of a code of conduct, which means that we provide a harassment free environment for everyone, regardless of gender, gender identity, sexual orientation, disability, physical appearance, body size, background, race, or religion. Be kind to everyone. Please let us know if you experience harassment by emailing at DjangoCon US. If you're not sure, let us know and we will find clarity together. If you're also not sure, let us know and we will find clarity together. And if you want to do it in person too, then you can report to me or Peter. And if you see something like that, just remember what T'Challa told Bruce Banner. We don't do that here. To report a code of conduct online, you could email Doreen on Slack. Please include as much detail as you can and your contact information too, and as much information as you can about the incident. A few announcements. So we have mask-only seating signs on different tables, so please check before you sit. And is anybody hiring? Anybody hiring? Any companies hiring in the room? Awesome. So those are the people to go to. If you're looking, or if you don't want people to know that you're looking, you can have a chat with those people. And if you want a quiet space or if you need like time out, you should go to room number 2. If you need to use the lactation and wellness room, it's in meeting room 1. But kindly email hello at DjangoCon US to just let us know so that we make sure that the room is free for you. Ooh, mealtime. So our meals will be served in Grand Ballroom 1 and 2. There will be two buffet tables, and you can go down on both tables. If you're vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, kosher, or halal, there's an additional table to the left of the beverage station. That's where you'll have some extra options selected just for you. The special diet foods will arrive at 8 a.m. and 12:30 p.m. today and tomorrow. We also have snacks, which are gonna be provided for the morning and afternoon breaks. So look out for that. And the snacks are going to be available in the same dining area too. So if you haven't picked up your swag bag and t-shirt, you can do this during the break times at the registration desk. And because I believe all of you are tweeting about it or writing it on Mastodon and LinkedIn, please use, I don't know, use the bull emoji. And also pay attention to the people's tags when you're taking photos. So if you have a blue lanyard, that means photos are okay regardless, but I hope you get the best sides. And if the lanyard is orange, that means ask please, and red means I do not care who you are, do not take a photo of me. And we'd like to thank our platinum sponsors who are Refseas, Cactus, and Valky. Our sponsors made this conference possible, and we couldn't make it without them. Thank you to our gold sponsors, WispHub, Wharton, Two Rock Software, Lincoln Loop, 6 Feet Up, Foxley Talent, and JBS Dev. Thank you to our bronze sponsors, Scalp Monitoring, Sentry, and TestDriven.io. We'd like to thank our Opportunity Grant sponsors, DSF and PSF, for making this conference accessible to more people. And thank you to our community sponsors, DEFNA, United States PostgreSQL Association, and Black Python Devs. Lightning talks, the ones that make you sweat every day, are gonna be happening at noon right here in the junior ballroom. Sign up at this URL. Sprints have a separate ticket, which you can get at the main conference website. They'll be hosted at Cactus. They'll be happening between Thursday and Friday, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Recordings of all talks will be available on VenueLess for 30 days after the conference for ticket holders. And they'll be available on the DjangoCon US YouTube channel after 1 month. So be patient. Thank you for being here and for making this conference a positive experience for everybody, which includes people online too. Shout out to the online folks. Awesome. Let's get to the keynote. So I had a chat with Mario yesterday, and his story inspired me because it was kind of similar to mine. And we also have great hair too, so, you know. But seriously, I was fascinated by his story and his journey because it's not just one story. It's a story that many of us have lived through. We walk through the doors of this community and are enriched by it. And in turn, we give back and enrich the community ourselves. Isn't that a sustainable community, you think? And it works because people keep coming back. So it must be great, right? So Mario is proof that the Django community works. So put your hands together and welcome Mario for his keynote.